When you try to install an application package download from a third-party source, you may encounter this error. Fortunately, you can fix it with these fixes. First up, you can use PowerShell to sideload and install MSIX files on your Windows computer. So what you will need to do is to just open PowerShell with admin rights, type in the following command, replay MSIX file path with the file path of your MSIX file saved on your PC, then press enter. Now to get the file path, right-click on the package, then select Copy as Path. Next, press enter and wait as PowerShell installs the app. Once it is done installing, type exit and then press enter to close the command prompt. Now another possible method is to install MSIX bundle apps using the app installer. To do this, go to this following website page, click install, and once done, locate and double-click the application package you want to install. Then, click on the install option in the app installer dialog. So that's what you should do if your application package is not supported for installation. So that's what you should do if you're having the same problem. So that's what you should do if you're facing the same error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.